winning, then I'm going to start supporting Real Madrid.
Oh, sorry about that. Hi guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I'm going to be showing you, well, I'm just going to be telling you, because obviously it's annoying, so I'm just going to tell you some stuff about how my day's gone today. So, I started off my day by waking up, going to school really early in the morning and coming home. Wouldn't go home until, I went to my youth club, gave someone a bunch of stuff, bought Prime, came home, went on my PlayStation, played FIFA, got some good players in my new team. I got Raul Garcia up front. Left wing I've got Ferran Torres. Right wing I've got Silas. Right back I've got Trippier. The two centre backs I've got one to watch Schlotterbeck. I've also got Centurion's Raul Garcia. Left centre back I've got Varane. Left back I've got Centurion's Jordi Alba. And then my three midfielders is Orkan, don't question it. Then I've got Kamara, and then I've got Renier. I think it's pronounced Renier though. But yeah. And I played Roblox. And then we got to the point where I wanted to film this. So that's it. Goodbye.